You're running your business, working like an employee, and trying not to burn out. But when do you finally hire help without overhiring? In this video, I'll show you 4 clear signs it's time, the real risks of overhiring and underhiring, and how to make the right move. At CSI Accounting and Payroll, we've provided monthly accounting and unlimited advice to small businesses for nearly 60 years. We've answered every hiring question you can think of, so you're in the right place. Let's start with the 4 signs you're ready. Sign 1. You're working in your business instead of on it. Most of your time is spent doing employee work instead of growing your business like an owner. Sign 2. You're so overwhelmed you're turning down profitable jobs. Every job you decline is revenue you'll never get back. Sign 3. You have good cash flow. Hiring costs hit before revenue grows, so make sure your cash flow can handle it. And sign 4. You're asking the question. For very small businesses, if you're wondering if it's time to hire, it probably is. Hitting 1 or 2 of these signs, that's an early warning. Hitting 3 or 4, you're already losing revenue or burning out, and hiring can take months, so start the process now. But how do you avoid the 2 biggest mistakes, overhiring and underhiring? Overhiring. Small business owners often worry about keeping a new employee busy long-term. The worst fear is needing to lay them off. Our recommendation, if work slows, don't lay off your employee. Lay off yourself from employee work. Shift to owner work, marketing and sales to keep them busy. Underhiring. This one can be even worse. If you don't hire but try to take on more jobs, you and your team burn out. Employees expect more pay or leave. Best case, you stay where you are. Worst case, you lose staff and revenue. So what if you're still not sure about a full-time employee? If you're looking for short-term relief, a seasonal uptick, a one-off project, or specialized services, temporary employees or independent contractors might be the answer. Just be clear on the difference between the 2 before you decide. It's not a long-term strategy, but it can buy you time. It can be hard to make staffing decisions or any decision that impacts your operations and finances. You already need bookkeeping and tax services, so why not roll them up with unlimited advice and a complex tax strategy with monthly accounting? Schedule a free consultation to see if we're a good fit for your business. And don't forget to subscribe for more small business tips. Thanks so much. See you in the next one.